Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and I'm going to show you how you can change keyboard theme. So we can change the keyboard theme of our Samsung keyboard, but we are not going to find there any of the available themes. So let's go for the general management. When you enter the settings, then move to the Samsung keyboard settings, and right now we have to move right here for the theme. As you can see here, we got only 4 themes: light, solid light, dark, and the solid dark. So we can simply switch between these themes, but if you want to get more themes, you have to use the Gboard from the Google. So we have to move for the Play Store, tap on search pool, type Gboard, and just install Google Keyboard, where you will be able to find a lot of themes. You will also be able to set up the theme of your own picture or photo. So of course I'm going to show you how it will look in the few steps. Right now we can simply open this keyboard, tap to enable in the settings, and right now, as you can see, we have to tap on the switcher and switch to our Gboard keyboard, then go for the select input method and of course switch to the Gboard. Then click done, and as you can see, when we are here we have to tap on the theme, and as you can see here we got more themes. Here we got the simple colors. I'm going for the pink one, for example, but you can also able to download landscapes or the light and the dark gradient. So just have fun and customize like you want. And of course, when you are going to use your keyboard right now, you can see that the theme has changed, but we can also set the different theme. As I said before, we can set our favorite picture or photo as the theme, and I'm going to use maybe this photo. And right now we are able to scale the picture. I'm going to take this part, or maybe this one. Click next, and as you can see right now, we can set up the transparency. Click down, and then we can turn off and turn on key borders. So you have to decide what you want to get, and when you tap apply, right now you can enjoy the new theme of your keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!